I would recommend a cake factory to young families. It's something that you can engage kids and then make baking more like a game.
It's really good if you've got a big family, because while the oven is full of whatever tonight's dinner is, you can have the cake factory rolling on the side, providing a batch of lemon drizzle cakes for pudding.
I would recommend the Cake Factory to families. I think there's lots of scope for children to get into baking because it's so easy to use.
I'd recommend it to anybody with a busy life who thinks that they don't have time for baking. It's really convenient to use. You don't need to preheat it like an oven, so it's quite quick to get out.
I would recommend it to anyone who has a busy lifestyle. Put all your ingredients in it, walk away and know that you come back to a perfect cake.
It's just a very handy little gadget, really.